大家好，我是阿勇，
大家好，我米芳华啦。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐礼拜我已经是条英语的新闻，互阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English. Ayong，你敢捌看过日本一个足出名的人叫做宫崎骏伊所画出来的电影，
宫崎骏哦，日记叫做啥？
叫做 Miyazaki。
哦，Miyazaki，嘿，有啦，都 Studio Ghibli 的 Miyazaki 对无？
嘿，就是迄个无毋对。
嘿，Spirited Away 就好看的对啊。
嘿，这个 Spirited Away，迄个新温少女，即马已经毋是日本票房的头名，你敢知？
毋是哦，啊无是啥？
好，咱续来就来听即条新闻。咱今仔日毋是一条新闻哦，是3条拢短短啊，甲伊夹做一条的页安尼。来，日本网啊，鬼灭之刃顶礼拜日本票房来到大票89亿。
The Japanese anime Demon Slayer grossed over 8.9 billion NT dollars in Japan last week. Wow.
拍破宫崎骏的作品《新温少女》2001年的纪录，
Breaking the record previously set by Miyazaki Hayao's 2001 film Spirited Away.
正做日本电影史票房新冠军。
Taking the top slot in the Japanese box office. 注意哦。
再来第2条，南投德山指南宫元旦发钱宝。
The Diksan Jiram Temple in Lamdao is known for its New Year's good luck coins.
去年要领钱宝的人排队排到8公里长。
Last year, the line for those hoping to get their hands on a coin stretched over 8 kilometers.
今年防疫的考虑，庙方无爱互人排队排透暝。
This year, out of consideration for the pandemic, they asked people not to wait in line overnight.
讲11点进前来拢有，毋过无挂喙暗的就脑顺啦。
And they assured that anyone arriving before 11 a.m. would get one as long as you wore a mask.
再来第3条，寒流来台北市立动物园食米淋姜黄粉。
When the days get cold, the Daibak City Zoo mixes turmeric in with the animals' food.
佮煮姜母茶予动物食。
And they brew ginger tea for the animals to drink.
高雄寿山动物园穿一块塑胶篷布，予红毛猩猩准皮革。
The Shusan Zoo in Dachau gives the orangutans a canvas tarp to cover up with.
进前穿毛毯，拢予伊掠甲脆糊糊。
They used to give out blankets, but those were quickly torn to shreds.
即块伊掠无法。
The canvas, however, seems to do the trick. 足趣味的这3条新闻。你拄啊讲迄直接翻译嘛吼，新温少女对无？敢有因为日记叫做啥？什么仙道千尋の神隠し？安尼若是直接翻做台语，敢会较好听一chút啦？
直接翻译做台语哦，安尼，阮有做一寡功课啦，应该会讲，或者是千甲千吹新运气啊。即个新运意思就是讲去互新名藏起来，
嘿，
走无看啊。即个千甲千吹是共一个人的2个名，伊千吹是因爸母家己号的名，千是伊走入去迄个新运的世界内底，迄个开温泉屋的头家，
嘿，对，
迄个欧巴桑家己号的名。
爸爸，我袂记啊。嘿，伊就甲迄个青的迄字，就摕出来，变做千安尼。
对，就是千甲千吹新运气啊！这出电影，拄则迄个钱某，你讲 New Year Good Luck Money，Good Luck Coin。
对啦，Good luck coin，因为英语其实无即个概念嘛，迄个钱某其实就是 principal 的意思。你甲你的钱寄去银行内底，
会生利息的迄条本金本钱，
对，
嘛是叫做钱某，无毋对。
For our English audience, there's a lucky coin that you put in your pocket, you keep it in your wallet, and that will bring you money.
Literally means mother of money.
Yeah, the mother of money. 钱某。
新闻内底讲到即个红门先生，迄当阵我嘛真嚣奇，我想讲，红门先生敢真是台语去查字典，真是有哦。
有
台日大书典都有收到先生即个词啊，这毋是华语文专用的。
好，后来换英语新闻吼。Speculation has swirled around Chinese billionaire Jack Ma's whereabouts.
中国迄个世界好野的马云，伊人到底走倒去？即马外口是疑云重重，犯人疑猜。
After reports surfaced that the high profile businessman had not made a public appearance in more than 2 months.
因为有报道讲，即个诉讼真插手的生理人已经较加2个月拢无公开现身啊。
Ma's business empire called Ant Group
马云的商业帝国高霞集团
has been under scrutiny by Beijing.
去互北京政府搜查甲足功夫的。
Ever since Ma delivered a controversial speech in Shanghai on October 24th.
10月24，马云伫上海一摆足有争议的演讲。
That criticized China's regulatory system for stifling innovation.
批评中国的管制系统甲创新拢定是，自迄时就一直搜查到今。
Today's financial system is the legacy of the industrial age, Ma said in the speech.
今仔日的金融系统是工业时代的遗产，马云演讲讲的。
We must set up a new one for the next generation and young people.
讲为着后一个呢，为着少年家，咱定着爱搁创一套新的啦。
Chinese authorities launched an anti-monopoly investigation into Alibaba in late December.
中国当局12月尾对阿里巴巴发动反高占的调查。
早起对啊。
全中国上好野的人走无看，毋知到底走去佗。拄则听到我讲迄个疑云重重，犯人疑猜。若咱要讲较口语化，就讲即马外口风声足济，乱糟糟。毋过咱听到伊英语的原文讲 ，speculation has swirled，这其实嘛毋是口语，无人安尼讲话的。所以我就甲，
这是比如啦。
对，所以我就写一个共款是书面的语言，较文言气的，讲疑云重重，犯人疑猜安尼。咱听到马云的公司即马 under scrutiny，即个 scrutiny 甲 investigation 敢有倒位有争差
？Investigation 就是咧调查嘛，scrutiny 是那就是较详细的，较详细的调查这个。
调查又搁查甲真功夫即款的。
对。
讲已经较加2个月拢无公开现身啊。一项就爱注意讲，即个现身毋是现身哦，即个现就是甲啥物物件点出来互人看。譬如讲，咱有讲现牌啊，现互人看，现出你的原形。这拢是一个动词，或者现。
所以这个是现这个现嘛。
对。若这个现，这是一个形容词，讲现代就是即马，现金就是穿便便的钱，即马就有的钱，或者现金。所以现甲现是2个无共字，而且其实较早的汉字拢写无共字，是即马受到中华民国教育部的影响，伊的汉字才会走对共字去。其实古早汉字是无共字。
好，你若感觉英台 Express 对你有帮助
，Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若有任何你想要看到阮2个互相翻译的新闻
，Feel free to drop us a line down there in the comments.
See you next time.
再会。